Hi children, good morning. Hope all are fine. So today I am going to prepare masala buttermilk. So it is good in summer season. So I will show how to prepare masala buttermilk. So we need ingredients: mint leaves, coriander leaves, ginger 4 pieces, curd and black salt and 1 chilli. So first take one jar and add 4 pieces of ginger, add chilli 1, next add mint leaves, coriander leaves, grind it. So in this way you should grind it. Now take a bowl and put the curd and blend it for 5 minutes. Now add half spoon of salt and black salt, half spoon. Add the mixed paste with the curd and mix it well. Now add water and mix it well. Masala buttermilk is ready, children. Home also you also prepare, children, and have a nice day. Thank you, children. Bye. Add 4 pieces of ginger.